Alright, you can see a nice canvas here. There's a complete wooden canvas, and I just put it on a board here, the pink color board. You can see, so it's a solid wood, and the frame is little bit carved on the top line. You can see it's little bit thinner. Okay, let's draw a nice drawing and the painting here. So you can see there are two outlines. So for the this portion I'm going to draw the mountains. So I'm going to put some pointy outlines on the top. You can see just going through. Okay, so this is the bigger mountains. So the first one is almost done. The next one is little bit higher, and going to draw here. Okay, let's put the color up to the directions. Okay, another mountain is little bit separate, and going to be here. Okay, all right, and little bit ups and downs here because of the landscape. In a far distance you can see sometimes trees, and for some other reasons it looks little ups and downs always in the horizon. Okay, so the mountains is almost done, and you can put the reflections on the water, just a darker color, putting a darker color like this. Also you can put color for the other mountains too. So because of the the wave pattern of the water, so it looks little bit inconsistent, and something like the the reflections is moving on the water. Okay, so this is the basic outlines. Now we need the white color on the top for some other details. So for the water, if we want to put some reflections over the water, just put something like this one. So it shows that the water has some reflections of the mountains, and the white part just defines the waves of the water in some constant. Okay, so I can take some water and mix up some water and also put this pattern. So you can see it looks like a water, more realistic, and you can also use some white color to the sides of the mountain just to show the reflections on one side, and other side is going to be darker. So this side which got the moonlight, that side is going to be a little bit brighter, and the other side which is on the opposite side of the moonlight is going to be little bit darker. There's the basic idea. Let's put it like this. You can mix some water too, just to make the whole appearance of the colors little bit more realistic. Okay, all right, and finally for the last one, let's take some water and do the details here. Okay, we're going to take little bit white color, then again mix up with the the one side of the mountains, just showing the reflections. Also we're putting the reflections on the water side too. So one side you can have the solid white color in the reflection. Okay, so those are the real life, the imaginations and putting the colors into effect. There's the imaginations of a painter to see everything in a real life appearance. Okay, awesome. Just trying to make the whole scenery into a blending, equal, uniform, natural scenery. So the mountains, reflections, everything's okay. Now we need a moon here on the top. You can see a bigger moon. Let's put a bigger moon here. Take the water a little bit and trying to mix up the whole moon. Okay, awesome. We always try to make it as circle as possible. Okay, and few bright stars in the sky, you can see here, just putting all around the moon. Okay, taking a little bit water and putting some other colors. All right, and also with the little black color, just we want to mix it with the environment. So the white border is just already merging with the water level. Okay, all right, so the scenery drawing is complete. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.